So hello everyone, welcome to the Django ORM part 2. So in the part 1, we studied all the method which does not return the query set. In today's video, we will be learning all the method which will be written in the query set and how does it work over there. This is the normal part over here. We'll be importing all the imported and model. We'll be seeing the model. If you want to generate the fake data, you can generate the fake data. This is the table of content. And now we'll start. The first method is filter. We all must have used filter over there. But I'll be telling you some of the more thing in the filter part over here. This is a normal filter. If I want to do the filter whose I want all the author whose age is greater than 90, I'll do this filter normal. It will print me all the author whose age is greater than 90. This is a normal query which will run and it will check against the age over here. But what if I want to do the more complex filtering over here? For example, I want to do the filtering. I want to check the age. I want to do, for example, I want to search some name. So for example, some name is equal to Sarah, whose age is greater than 90. I want to get all the author whose name start with Sarah and whose age is greater than 90. And I want to do some or and something I want to do not or and I want to do. For that we have this queue method over here which help us to write the more complex query and do the or and everything. So what we'll be doing over here, we'll be checking all the author whose name contains Sarah in that and whose age is greater than 90. Does it exist? Oh, it does exist over here. So as you can see Sarah over here, okay, and we had an or over here, so we are getting all the whose age is greater than 90. Okay, if I do Sarah and let's do it and over here. So let's do it and as you can see, we have only one SA something kind of a thing. We only the S over here. I contain ignore it. So as you can see, now I ignore it part over here. So we have all the name who has S in it kind of a thing. Okay. As you can see over here, we have small S over here, S over here, and S over here, S over here. Yeah, this is how it work over here. This is a normal query. And you can play it around. I will give you the notebook over here. Okay, now we will see what kind of a query it runs over here. This is a normal query over here. As you can see, where whose name is like something kind of a thing, escape they might have written, and age who's greater than 90. So, and we can also do the chaining of filter over here. So, for example, I did the filtering part over here. Get me all the blog whose name contain dog, and from that, get me all the blog whose author age is less than 50. Okay, we'll be seeing over here, and as you can see over here, there is an inner join over here because we are going to the different model into the author over part over here. First, we are getting all the blog whose name contains dog in it. Okay, this all the blog matter dog in it, and whose author age is less than 50. This is the normal query it runs over here. And there are so many different kind of a thing you can do with the filtering part over here. If you want to check it out more, you can do the Django documentation over here. And what kind of field documentation is there? Like underscore to greater than, underscore to less than, name, something kind of thing. You can check it over here. Now we'll be moving to exclude over here. This is the opposite of filter over here. In the filter, we are including all the filtration over here. The exclude will remove the filtration. For example, we want to get all the author whose age is underscore. What we written over here, age underscore less than. What will exclude do? It will reverse it. It will find all the age who are greater than 90. So as you can see over here, we are getting all the age who's greater than 90 over here. Okay, it does the reverse part over here. As you can see over here, it is a not null and age is less than 90. Alright. What's annotate? So for example, we have some query. Like we have data inside it, but we want some mixed up data. Okay, we want some different kind of a column whose value should be there. So for example, we want author, okay, and we want one new column whose name should be age underscore less and then underscore 25. Okay, this is a normal boolean method we are checking. So we'll be checking it with this part over here. We're checking it does the age does the author age is less than 25 or not. Okay, so how it works over here, getting this, his age is 114, so we are getting false over here. His age is not less than 115. So we are getting one more column inside this. Whatever kind of a column we want, we can create it over here. And we'll get it over here. Okay, this is how the annotate works. There are so many different kind of applications of annotate. You can check it out in the documentation. Order by. We all must be knowing what does the order by do. Order by means from which order we want. So we are over here, we are getting all the author whose age is minus. Like minus will be getting the oldest first and going down to the latest over here. As you can see, we're getting the oldest, then we're going down. So I'm getting only 10 part, limit 10 is over here. Okay, descending kind of a thing. Distinct. Distinct means like if we have two the exact same row over there. So distinct will remove one of the row and only will give one single row over there. We don't have such kind of a row. We are getting this result over here. But as you can see from over here, we only remove duplicate row from the database. We don't have currently, so it is not removed kind of a thing. So as you can see, select distinct. Okay, value. This is a very important part over here. What does the value do? Well, till now the data that you are getting was in the object format, instance format. What does the value do? Value gives us the data inside the dictionary format. Okay, so we does not need to convert it into from the object to the dictionary. We will directly get the object into the dictionary format. And one more thing, the value provided. So for example, like if I want only the name of the author, then why would I get the ID, then email ID, age, creation date, updation date? Why would I care for that? Value tell us, you can provide some of the argument, whatever kind of column you want, and he will only provide that argument only, that column only. As you can see over here, now we are getting in the dictionary only name field. As you can see in the query, we are getting select. What we have done. So first, what we used to do, we used to do select this all the field from here. But now we are only selecting the name from the model. This is a way optimization and then getting all the queries and everything, which we don't use only. We just only want name. Why don't we want name? One more thing the value can do is the insane thing. For example, like let's say case study. Now I want all the author. Okay, give me number of blogs the author has written. This is the case study one. So what we're doing now, give me the whose author is ID equal to 5. I want his number of blogs he has written. So initially what we should do if we want what we can do is like the traditional way, we would get all first we get the author, then from the author we would do the reverse column key and we would get a count from that. So there are multiple queries in it. Over here only in the single query and with the whatever kind of a column name we want to give, we can give the column name. We are getting the now. If I want to find all the like author, I can do all over here and we'll get all the author and the number of blogs that they have written over here. And the number of now query, single query will get fired. There are no chaining of query and no multiple queries and everything. Only single query will get fired and single query will get me this data. Okay, the same way the value underscore list work. Okay, in this value underscore list, we get the data into tuple format instead of the dictionary format. Okay, the purpose of values and values list is same. Just the representation is different over here. In that, in the value we are getting dictionary, and in the value list, we are, as a names list, we are getting a tuple kind of. Okay, and the same thing. Whatever kind of column you can get only that column, and flat as this have flat underscore equal to true. Flat underscore true means if you don't want this column like I got all the name over here, but I am getting all the name inside the tuple format over here. If I don't want any kind of tuple and everything, I can write flat equal to true and I'll get everything in a normal list format. Okay, all we all must have used this all over here. This is a normal all query union. Now, for example, like I have one query, a value list name and one age. So as you can see, I have all the query set with the name and all the query set with the name. What does the name do? It is the combine it over there. As you can see, it is just combined over here. The first in combination, we are getting all the ages, then we are getting all the name over here. What kind of a query is fired? Select this column, then as you can see, union select kind of. Okay, as you know, intersection. What does the intersection mean? That from the two lists, give me the same component that both the parts have. As you can see, this is the QS1, query set 1, query set 2, and in intersection, we are getting that part. Like as you can see in the query, we are getting all the author whose age is less than 20. Okay, but the age is greater than 10. This is the first author, first query set. In second query set, we are getting all the author whose age is less than 15 and greater than 5. So what is the intersection? Like 10 to 15 is intersection. So we are getting all the answer between 10 to 15 over here. Okay, the query is difference is like a different part over here. So for example, same query set we are making over here. Difference means apart from this, give me all the value. So now it's the difference over here. This is the same query set that we made over here. Okay, so in the intersection we are getting only the intersect part over here. The difference, whichever is written first, will get its difference from the upper part. For what I'm saying is, like this is a query set 1, this is a query set 2, and this is a difference. So what does it tell? QS2. QS2 is the value from 5 to 15. Okay, and this is the value from 10 to 20. So I'll get all the value between 5 and 10. As you can see over here, 6, 8, 10, 8, 10, I'm getting value over here. So what query it is in fired? So where can accept value kind of a thing, age less than 20 and greater than age less than 20 and greater than 10 over here. Okay, what does it only mean? As we know in the value and value underscore list, what we're passing only the column with which we want over there. But they were giving us value in the dictionary and tuple format. Okay, but what if you want the value? What if you want this feature of only getting the name, but we want the object instance of in format? So there is where the only coming. Only tell us that give me only name column, but in the instance format. So as you can see, we got the instance format, but only name over here. As you can see in the query, we got the same query over here. Let's select name from the author object, author model. Now what the differ? Differ is the exactly opposite of only. As we are seeing the name, so except name will get all the part over here. As you can see over here, except name in the query, you can see we are getting ID, email, age, creation date, updation date, but we are not getting the name over here. And the very fast, like faster than everything, is the raw query. You can write the raw query over here in the Django itself. The author object is called raw. Select star from model, author model, and you will get that query running over here as it is what we wrote over here. So I hope you might have found this video informative. There are different kind of bunch kind of a thing you can try it over here. I'll be sharing you the notebook link into my description. You can go and download it from there and you can play with it around. Okay. If you found value, if you found some information from this value, please share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel. It motivates me a lot to make such videos for you. Please like the video and comment your thoughts, feedbacks into the comment section. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.